You can run an AI model locally. That's great. But then your boss says, put this in production, serve 100 users at once, make it fast, make it reliable. Suddenly, running a model on your laptop isn't enough. You need an inference engine. Today, we're comparing the three biggest open-source inference engines, vLLM and TGI. All three are open source. All three serve an OpenAI-compatible API. But the devil is absolutely in the details. Let's start with the developer's best friend. Think of it as Docker for AI models. One command to install, one command to pull a model, one command to run it. You're chatting with a local LLM in under a minute. Makes model management effortless. List models, pull specific quantizations, create custom models and the API is dead simple. You can even use the OpenAI Python client by just pointing it at. But here's where falls short. It's single-user optimized. No continuous batching, no tensor parallelism, no built-in metrics. It processes one request fully before starting the next. For a team of one, it's perfect. For production, not so much. Enter vLLM, the production powerhouse. Built for one thing, maximum throughput on GPUs. And its secret weapon is PagedAttention, a memory management technique that changed the game. Traditional engines allocate KV cache memory in big contiguous blocks and waste a ton of it. vLLM uses paged memory, just like your operating system manages virtual memory. Each request gets exactly the pages it needs. The result? 2 to 4 times more concurrent requests on the same GPU, and then there's continuous batching. Processes requests one after another, the GPU sits idle between them. vLLM fills slots immediately as requests finish. New requests slide right in. The GPU never stops working. In production, gives you Prometheus metrics, tensor parallelism to split models across multiple GPUs, speculative decoding, and even LoRa hot swapping. It's a full production stack. Now let's talk TGI Hugging Face's inference server. If your models live on the Hugging Face hub, TGI is the most natural fit. Its router is written in Rust, making it fast and memory safe, and it supports both flash attention and paged attention. TGI's sweet spot is tight Hugging Face hub integration and token streaming out of the box. But it's Docker-heavy, has fewer quantization options than vLLM, and tends to adopt the latest optimizations a bit slower. Now the numbers that actually matter. On an A100 with 32 concurrent users running Llama 3.18b is 43 times slower than vLLM. 43 times. That's the difference continuous batching and paged attention make at scale. So which should you pick? Here's the decision tree, personal or local use. Serving under 5 users, TGI or vLLM both work. 5 to 50 users, vLLM with paged attention over 50. vLLM with tensor parallelism across multiple GPUs. The beautiful part, most teams follow the same migration path. Day 1 locally to prove the concept. Week 1 on a GPU server for the team. Month 1 vLLM for production. And all you change is the base URL. Your application code stays exactly the same. To recap, for local, vLLM for production, that's the standard path. Paged attention is why vLLM wins at scale. And since all three speak the OpenAI API, you're never locked in. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more AI engineering breakdowns.